I am so excited. I ordered supplies to be able to start trying out what kind of envelopes or paper I like for the letter club. Also, we're doing wax seals. I was adamant that we do wax seals, make it work. It's gonna cost more in postage, but it is so worth it to me to give a beautiful product that just really feels special when you open it. So I opened the box. My husband thought this was some rotors that he ordered for the car. And so it's just been sitting there for almost a week. So I've opened it, but once I saw what it was, I immediately closed it so I could open it on camera. I haven't picked up the items and looked at them yet. Here it goes. Oh, there are rotors in here. Oh, some envelopes. I'm picky about the texture, the color. Oh, I like those. I think it's going to be hard narrowing it down. Maybe envelope colors will change every other month or something. Ooh. These are more of a burgundy envelope. We're going across the spectrum. I'm really not sure what I'm going to go with. Okay, I like how thick these are. We'll see. Maybe I'll change the envelope color depending on the vibe that month or the season. I want the product that you get to be consistent, but also exciting. Rotors! Okay. I hope I like this. This is the paper that I would be typing out the letters on. I want it to have a very classic antique feel. Yeah, I want it to feel like you're in Downton Abbey and you're opening a letter. The postage boy just brought your letter down the lane. Okay. That's the sound I want. So I actually went to university for my history degree. I was gonna go get a master's, but I ended up deciding that I just wanted to stay home with my babies. So I got my bachelor's in history and I got to handle some really incredible documents and also just through some professional work on the side. And my dream was that the paper would sound like parchment. Here's my mic. I don't know if you can hear that, but I think that's about as close as we're gonna get without having to charge an arm and a leg every month. Oh, I actually had pretty low expectations for this paper, and it really surprised me. I'm sold on it. This is the paper. So I've decided one thing. Oh, fly window traps. Ooh, okay. Labels. Nothing too exciting there. But these would be labels that your address would go on. And I didn't want just a white label on there. I want everything to be so beautiful and high quality. So these labels were even intentional. I haven't decided if I'm going to do the paper at its full width, and so doing long envelopes, or if I'll be cutting the paper down and doing shorter. Again, I might play around with it for the first couple months and just see what people like. I can't get these ones out unless I open the package. Honestly though, I think I'm not loving that as much. Just feeling the texture from the outside, it's not my favorite. So this is gonna go in returns. I got so many envelopes. Can you tell I'm particular? This is a darker green. Ooh, I really like that. I just want to be sure that there's no issue with the addresses being seen. So that's where a little testing is gonna have to come into play. So I'm not sure. This is in the unsure. I'm almost positive I don't want these. They're too much of a sage green, and I'm going for more of different colors of moss green. Yeah, no. I actually like it when things just don't work out because that makes a decision easier. Oh, right now, I have 3 types of envelopes to choose from. Okay, wax seals. So I would love to pour a wax seal on every single envelope. I actually have a wax seal kit that I got for Christmas. I love it so much, and I pour the wax, and it's such a cool process. However, I want this company to be scalable, and I really want to grow our community to this awesome, great size, and it is just not realistic for me to pour every single wax seal. So I was looking for alternatives, and I thought about wedding invitations that I got, and surely they are not pouring the wax seals out for every single invited person. And I looked, and no, they're adhesive. So it's a way to get a really beautiful product, but be able to not keep the club super, super small. I like it. I think what I'm gonna have to start doing is testing what this would look like on each envelope, and that will help me make the decision. I know for sure I'm not gonna go with these because they look cheap. I don't like things that look cheap. This one, we'll see. We'll see. I don't want to go cheap on the wax seals. Okay, that's what I've got.